The Aero Scout.
Bigger and bigger, yeah.
Who was Highland? Did you crash the Aero Scout in a tree?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, well, we're going to get it out for you, all right? Here's Tim.
Oh boy. It's either that or I could just try and fly it and see if I can just knock it out. Oh, I think it's not going to fun anyway.
But if we use that drone,
we can use the beanbag or we can tie string to this and I'll just fly over.
this will be more exciting. I think there's more of an opportunity for chaos with this. Let's go. Let's do the drone. Let's take the.
Why won't it take off? Close the mode. I forgot. Taking off.
It's not gonna.
Make sure that it doesn't get tangled so fully from here. Just kill the rope.
Really?
I'll have
Pull it
to
down.
this way. Are you filming this?
Oh, you got it, Toyota. That was nice.
We failed.
Nope, he got it. That's exactly what we want.
Let it down, let it down.
Is that like an expendable loan?
You see what you're talking? This is a rescue drone. It's the time
Now
for
we have
this.
to cut that plane. We don't want
You
that
release
plane
the,
to
you
drop.
have to release it from the
So
control.
somebody
Oh,
has
yeah,
to
yeah,
cut the
yeah.
plane so it doesn't get messed up. Okay.
Hold on, wait. Where's the controller for the plane?
We have to cut it. We have to cut
Go
it.
get the controller for the plane.
Why?
Because as soon as we yank it out, it's going to fall, and if I have the controller, I might be
may
able to
land it
help it
softly.
climb.
We should try
Might
and
be able.
move it out. We're gonna make sure it works.
We got some teamwork.
It's in this way.
All right, stand over here.
Watch out, Ike.
Actually,
Guy, you're
there you go.
See that? He must be an engineer. He must be an engineer.
He's gonna rip the foam apart.
Get him out. Because it's trying to auto.
It's not damaged at all.
Yeah. Aileron, the left aileron. I mean the right aileron.
Okay.
Because that's the branch that's holding the wheel.
Yeah, we need to get rid of.
No, like, go around this way.
You have to listen to the engineer, man. Come on.
Oh no, it's the front wheel. Demolished. Okay.
Still looking fine.
Good. Push it up. Maybe it's enough. Maybe the throttle is enough. Wait, maybe.
If you can remove can you remove the thread from there and put it on the wheel? That's the try to launch it on the wheel. If possible,
Hey,
the thread is
Mike,
on-
you got a chainsaw? Let's chop down this tree.
Let's put some candy in it and get some kids with a little piñata bat.
Yeah.
They'll get it down. It's almost down.
No, not on the.
Right there. Right.
Okay. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. Let's pull it. We are pulling the branch. So go ahead. Something is going to give the branch or the cone, but
Don't get that tree pregnant.
If somebody's got a chainsaw, we can cut this branch.
We should have used the bean bags.
now we can. No, but I mean, if we pull it, we can now tie the tail, but then we're going to rip it apart.
No. Oh my.
Hold on.
Oh no.
It's perfect.
You destroyed the front wheel.
It's gonna be okay.
It's preferable.
There.
Yeah, there. Just release the tension on the rope now.
Son of a bitch.
It's almost there.
No, because it's
I got an idea.
Yeah.
Why don't we boost the owner of the plane up and he can grab onto the branch and climb out there?
And
And
you can climb that, but your dad needs to be here for that.
is your dad
Your
here?
dad, we can push you up on the branch with his
We're not going to
authority.
get in trouble for somebody else's baby getting hurt.
Oh no.
I'm
I
happy to push you up, but I mean that's an easy to climb branch.
Watch out for that rebar right there.
It's up there.
Don't
Get your ass up there.
don't let him hit that rebar next to your foot, Tim.
Hey, he's fine.
You see,
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. That's someone else's.
I don't want to see him.
From that, the river is right there.
My man.
You don't want him to get impaled on that because it won't be pretty.
He's young and sprightly. Look at him. He'll probably just bend around it.
I will keep my foot on top of the river just in case.
Oh, how did it get stuck in?
How did you fly in on the tree?
break the branch.
Got
That's
it.
what you have to do. Break it.
Here he comes.
Oh, wait.
Wait. Oh,
Just release it. Release it. Oh, yeah.
Good job.
Wait,
So
don't
help
move
him.
from there yet.
Help him down.
Him, let's help him.
Are you able to get it down without getting hurt?
I can jump.
Jump that way.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm fine.
No. No close in there. Yeah, don't jump. Yeah.
Oh.
One airplane, one kid, and one drone is safe.